welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hide and show text in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to head over right here to our WordPress blog and marketplace and then click on the search bar. Search in here for WP Show Hide. So once you have searched for that, you should be able to see this WP Show Hide by Lester Gamers Chan. So make sure to install and activate it. Once you have installed and activated it, head over right here to any post that you want to show and hide text. So for example, I'll head over and show and hide text to my dogs page. So I'll head over and click on this edit right here in order to open the WordPress block editor for this case. So in here, I just need to add in here some things. So I have this code right here. Make sure to copy it and then paste it in here. Now, this is actually a short code, or you can also add some fewer things that you have in here as well. Alternatively, you can search for a block right here that says text, and you can put in here text details. So let's just add in here this one, and then let's paste our code that we have copied earlier, and then from in there, let's put in here and enter. So let's put in here hi, hello, and this hi, hello will be showed hidden. Now from this right here, head over and then save your progress, and then once you have saved that, you can click on this preview icon right here in order to see what it looks like once it's done. So here's our preview. So you can click on this show press release, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.